What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated on all the breaking news. Be sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be coming back to as many people as I can. Guys, we are in an absolutely crazy environment. I hate to say it, but the right moves that you should have been making 2 years ago was buying mega caps like a Meta and a Nvidia, guys. That was the move to make. But those stocks are up 400% in a matter of 1.5 years, guys. Are you going to take that move and buy those now after they're running hot 400%? Are you going to go and buy the mega caps right now at 1, 2, $3 trillion levels? I mean, for those companies to 10x, we're talking 20, $30 trillion market caps, guys. So if you want to make that move, go ahead right now. I am going to be buying the exact opposite of that. I'm going to be buying small cap investments, not unprofitable. I'm not touching unprofitable growth stocks anymore, especially small caps. I'm talking about profitable small caps that will eventually grow into, mid and large caps in the future, guys. And that's exactly what a SoFi is. If you look at the Russell 2000, the IWM, these indexes have been getting clobbered for 2 years while the SPY, the NASDAQ, the QQQs have been skyrocketing back to the beginning of the video because Meta, Nvidia, Apple, they don't go down. So you can chase those at those levels if you want. Go ahead, DCA on pullbacks, I don't care. Those are the companies to be buying 2 to 5 years ago. But I'm telling you right now, SoFi is gearing up to be a massive profitability machine, and it is being priced just like a legacy bank that's doing absolutely nothing. We are gaining the market share. SoFi is gaining the market share. And guys, because of the moves that SoFi is now making with partnerships, partnering up with ARK Invest, I think there is a high probability that SoFi will hit 1 million member addition quarters this year, guys. Potentially Q3, Q4 with NFL season, the next NFL season. Guys, time is flying. I know we're at Super Bowl right now with NFL, but I'm talking next year, Q3, Q4. We could potentially be seeing 1 million members. And that was the goal. I told you that, SoFi's at world domination in America, if they could start adding 1 million members. And I think that is going to be happening. So, guys, of course, we are selling off today because of the market is pricing in less rate cuts. We're not going to be getting that March rate cut, and that just is seeing the 10 years skyrocket, and you're seeing growth stock sell off. That is the simple math of what's happening right now. It's not just SoFi. SoFi is getting a bigger hit, of course, because it's priced in right now with this regional bank crisis going on, the same type of crisis we had a year ago with Silicon Valley and other types of banks. So that's still what's happening because SoFi is a bank. It's getting clobbered right now with the regional bank crisis. So if you find any of this information useful, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the all right, guys, happy Monday morning. Did not see that coming, but of course, Fed Powell had that meeting on 60 Minutes last night. And you can see these are the headlines, guys. The time is coming for rate cuts. Bond market rate cut bets rattled by a J. Powell pushback. Powell on 60 Minutes urges patience. So you can see it looks like the March rate cut is a guarantee not happening, okay? And that's why you're seeing this US 10-year Treasury just absolutely skyrocket. And then you go to the growth stocks, guys, it's just tanking everything. You can see this is a little bit of the price action we were getting early morning from some of the tech stocks, fintechs. Coin down 5, Upstart 5, SoFi 4.5, Lending Club 3. It got a little bit worse than that, but I'm just showing you everything, was grouping together when those rate cuts got potentially pushed back. Now, guys, this is the good news, okay? For all the Elon Musk fans out there that are, big Tesla fanatics, guys, you have the opportunity right now to get inside of the private markets behind Elon Musk because you can see ARK Fund said, we're thrilled to share a major milestone in our journey to democratize venture capital. The ARK Venture Fund is now available on SoFi, making private investments and disruptive innovation more accessible to all investors. So I actually put this on my Twitter, but someone was giving me some pushback that this was like a week ago, and I don't believe that at all. I think they were just rolling it out to a very select few of a SoFi people that have the app. But right now, I believe it's being rolled out across the board, and that's why you're seeing the update on ARK Funds right now. And guys, you can see this is exactly what it looks like right now. Breaking news. It's called ARK KVX Venture Fund is now live on SoFi to buy. You can buy a piece of SpaceX right now. We'll go through some of the holdings. Of course, guys, you can buy part of the overall stock, so you don't have to buy the entire stock at 12,400. You can buy like partial shares. And this is the venture fund portfolio. You can scroll down, like these are some of the companies you're getting, guys. SpaceX, Databricks, Block, Damon, Shield AI, Chipper, Zipline, Twitter. So I've only heard of a couple of these companies, guys, like Twitter, Databricks, SpaceX. You got to realize we're going to be getting a lot of Cathie Wood fanatics, Elon Musk fanatics over to the SoFi platform to get a taste of this, SpaceX, guys. A lot of people want to get their hands on this right now. So this is absolutely huge for just continuing to grow user base. So I'm extremely bullish. And guys, the headlines have been going around again with SoFi being a bank. Of course, when the stock's red, people are going to start saying it's a bank, it's a bank. But actually look at what other banks are doing, specifically like the top 5 banks in America. Guys, look at the comparison right here versus Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley has an analyst covering the SoFi stock, downgrading our stock to a sell rating. But look behind the scenes of what's really happening with the fundamentals. It's very strange how when you look at price to sales, they are trading identical right now. SoFi is trading at a 2.8x, Morgan Stanley at a 2.6x. SoFi is predicting 900% EPS growth over the next 3 years. Morgan Stanley had 0% EPS growth in half a decade. Guys, look at the numbers. This is net income right here. Guys, these are facts right now. 2019, 8.5 billion net income. 2023, 8.5 billion net income. These are the banks that are downgrading us. 5 years of nothing, guys. 0% net income EPS growth. And we're trading at the exact same, basically identical price to sales multiple. That's why SoFi shouldn't be priced as a bank. They're pricing in a 9x in EPS growth. Morgan Stanley, you just look at the data, 5 years of nothing, 0x. What does that tell you? Hey guys, you can see right here, I was nibbling today. I made some other buys as well, but I think I purchased about 400 shares today. So I just want you guys to see. I just continue to buy up at these levels because we are literally priced identical to some of the slowest legacy growing banks in America right now, guys. Price to sales is insane. The PE multiple, I've been covering that for you. 2026 is like a 9x right now. So as you guys can see, I just continue to buy up shares every time I get a chance when I like what I'm seeing. Guys, take a look at this. At $7.50, SoFi is trading at the exact same levels as May 2022, or 1 year, 8 months ago. The all-time high is still 28. I told you management needs $45 to hit their bonus. So just take a look at this, guys. Almost 1.5 years over, same exact levels we're at. Think about the change that SoFi's done fundamentally. I mean, we're talking profitability, full year profitability guidance, 2026, 900% EPS growth, and the stock is just getting hammered still. I'm telling you right now, this could be one of the greatest buying opportunities over the next like 5 years, because this is a company that is not going to stop growing. I think they're going to hit 1 million members in the end of 2024. You're going to see a lot of Tesla fanboys coming over to buy a piece of that SpaceX. And there's other, private companies that, SoFi investors are now going to be able to get a piece of, because SoFi is allowing that to happen. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. If you guys want to sign up for SoFi Invest and get a piece of that private investment fund from ARK, go ahead and click the link in my comments section. Sign up for the SoFi Invest. They're going to hook you up with a bonus or some free stock. Once again, my name's Kyle. Hope you have a great day.